Good morning, everyone. So it's a beautiful morning now. We just woke up. Everyone is having their bath, getting ready. Today is 4th of May, and we are now checking out from this place in Ooty, and then the plan is to drive towards Coimbatore. We are yet to book a bungalow there, something like a homestay or from Airbnb. And today the best part is Nilesh and family is also joining. So they are leaving from Mysore now, and they should reach there around in around 5 hours, and we'll be leaving around 7:30. It's 6 right now, so by 7:30 we leave, and in 2.5 hours we should reach Coimbatore. So we'll try and match up the time with them. So mostly we should meet at a common place, maybe Isha Foundation, Adiyogi Bhagwan statue, and then from there we'll do darshan, and then we'll go to our homestay and relax there. So Nilesh decided at very last moment to join us, so he drove for last 2 days continuously from Gujarat and reached Mysore yesterday by 9 p.m. So once we meet in Coimbatore, we'll continue the onward journey together till Mumbai. It should be fun because there'll be 2 cars now.
Drish is helping in cleaning the windshield and windows for clear view. This fellow is sitting alone in the car and getting bored. Look here. That's the caretaker.
After some relography, Dad is taking the car reverse so that we can sit. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and to press the bell icon to get notified on each video we post. And today we have left for Coimbatore. Coimbatore. And then we'll go to Adiyogi.
कोयम्बटूर में ही आदियोगी.
अच्छा हाँ, कोयम्बटूर में ही we'll go to
Visit Adiyogi.
Adiyogi. हाँ. So we book our hotels like this through Airbnb. We find homestays in Airbnb which can accommodate at least 10 people at a time, and that's quite convenient. Like when you group travel, you all stay together in that same bungalow, you get that traveling vibes. So we book it through Airbnb, and then we pay it on the spot, and then we check into the homestay, and then whatever we want to do, sightseeing and stuff, we can go.
There you can see the clouds, how they are formed.
We often find such scenic places which always makes us halt our car and take some pictures.
Here you can even see the fog area.
This is so this is a tea. Looks like filter coffee, but it's actually chai.
So now we are just 26 kilometers away from our homestay in Coimbatore. But going till Coimbatore, there is work going on the road, as you can see. So the other roads are a bit rough.
Very rough.
So Sharnam, how was your experience of driving till Ooty and then now till Coimbatore.
It was adventurous. It was pretty tiring also. But overall, it is a good achievement covering so many hairpin bends.
Okay.
Ideally, you should come driving to Ooty rather than by flight or public transport. That is the best way to enjoy life.
What about the kids?
Peace. Peace. It was fun. Huh. It was fun.
Fun.
Huh.
So now we have entered Coimbatore city. Now we are heading towards our homestay, which is still 10 kilometers from the city.
There because the car can't climb this. It's quite high, so there are chances the car can, hit from the can get hit from the below. So we parked our car there, and here is the bungalow. The rooms which we booked are on the first floor. The below floor belongs to someone else. So here it's quite big. This is the hall. So they even gave 2 beds in the hall, but we are not so many people, so it's fine. Then this is another room, 2 beds. So this is my room, like me, Drish, dad and mom. Then this is another room which has 5 beds, so 5 people can fit here. Yes, this is another room where 3 people can fit, so dada booked this room for them. And nothing else. So it is a 15-day trip. We had to wash few clothes, so we can reuse them because we can't pack so many clothes. So we luckily we found a washing machine over here, so we plan to put all the clothes inside and wash it.
Drish,
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu se coaching Hi, welcome.
એટલે છુપાની ગાડી મૂકી હતી
સરસ જગ્યા મસ્ત ના સવારમાં ઉઠી એટલે મૂકી આ જગ્યા છે કોઈ રસ્તો તો આજ બતાવે Nilesh and family has arrived, and here onwards we'll start our journey together.
Everyone is sitting over here, and uncle is making something. Uncle is making aloo gobi, na? Aloo gobi for us for lunch, and eating nothing. ये देखो पागल आदमी.
Oh! And here the kids are catching hold of mango. Hey, so now we are having a gala time, drying clothes. Since we are having total around 17 to 18 days travel diaries, we need close to Dada and Jigar are playing Karim.
अभी देखो हमारी परिस्थिति घर में भी हम कुछ
So now we are going to Adiyogi Isha temple. So now we have reached Adiyogi Isha temple.
So here we are at Adiyogi. We parked a car right here, and that's the statue over there. It's so pretty. Amazing.
So this statue is 112 feet tall, and it is recognized as the largest burst statue in the world record.
So this necklace, this necklace is made out of so many rudraks. Like, just imagine if it is 1 feet tall. Imagine कितने रुद्राक्ष ऐसे डाले होंगे to make it such a big necklace.
So we are going to cover this all things in the Isha Yoga Center. So for that we have to travel through bullock cart.
So that's the cart for us. We were waiting since last half an hour. Ideally around 10 to 12 people can sit in a cart. So only when there is a cart available they issue tickets. Finally we got our cart. We're just waiting to sit. We've just come to Isha Foundations, and unfortunately they say valuables like mobile and everything is not allowed, so we'll have to deposit them before we enter the premises.
So now we are going to watch the light show at Adiyogi, and we are all sitting here on the floor. After the light show, everybody is moving out while traveling back to our homestay. We came across the lightings